Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In this video, we continue showing how to cook a traditional Jiggs dinner. Discover tips for perfect seasoning, timing, and presentation to bring this iconic meal to life. More than a meal, the history and tradition of Jiggs dinner. Jiggs dinner extends far beyond the ingredients simmering in the pot. It is the ultimate expression of Newfoundland's history and communal spirit. This section shifts focus from the plate to the culture surrounding one of Canada's most enduring traditional meals. From the sea to the table, where did Jiggs dinner come from? The genesis of Jiggs dinner is rooted in necessity and resourcefulness. Newfoundland's historical reliance on marine industries and isolated communities mandated the use of preserved, non-perishable foods. Curing meat with salt was the most reliable method for preserving protein for long winters and sea voyages. This tradition naturally translated into a weekly boiled meal that was both economical and hearty. The meal shares common ground with similar boiled dinners found in the culinary histories of England and Ireland, groups that heavily influenced Newfoundland's early settlement. As for the unusual name, it is thought to be linked to an early 1900s American comic strip character named Jiggs. This character, a newly rich Irishman, perpetually retained his love for his favorite comfort food, corned beef and cabbage, which closely resembles the current Jiggs dinner preparation. The association likely stuck, giving the cherished Newfoundland meal its distinctive identity. The ritual: why Sunday is Jiggs dinner day. For most Newfoundlanders, Sunday is inextricably linked to the smell of Jiggs dinner cooking. This tradition is not accidental. The meal requires a significant amount of time to prepare, often simmering for several hours to fully tenderize the salt beef and adequately season the accompanying side dishes. Time-saving: the cook only needed to tend one large pot, freeing up bandwidth for the family day. Gathering: it permitted families to gather and relax while the food slowly simmered and the aromas filled the house. This consistent weekly ritual reinforces the importance of eating together. It serves as a generational connection, a tangible reminder of the resilience and communal values ingrained in the Newfoundland lifestyle. It is a moment of pause, tradition and profound comfort. What to do with the leftovers? Jiggs dinner hash. Food waste was never acceptable in the historical context of Jiggs dinner, and the leftovers are almost as beloved as the main meal. This commitment to resourcefulness led to a popular second dish consumed primarily the following morning or midday. The process of turning leftovers into a new meal is simple yet delicious. Newfoundland hash: leftover salt beef, potatoes, turnips, and other vegetables are chopped roughly. These ingredients are then fried until they become wonderfully crispy and golden brown. This Jiggs dinner hash provides a perfect Monday breakfast or lunch. It transforms soft, boiled textures into something crispy and caramelized, giving the familiar salty flavor a satisfying new dimension. It ensures that every bit of the Sunday effort contributes to the family's meals, upholding the traditional respect for food. The taste of home and history. Jiggs dinner is far more than a simple boiled meal. It is a powerful symbol of Newfoundland identity, history, and enduring comfort. This humble combination of salt beef, root vegetables, and peas pudding tells a story of survival, community, and time-honored tradition passed down through generations. Whether you are seeking a taste of maritime history or simply the most satisfying, hearty comfort food available, Jiggs dinner consistently delivers. We encourage you to seek out this fantastic cultural dish or, better yet, spend a slow Sunday afternoon preparing your own batch, experiencing the rich, savory history firsthand in this video. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.